Hello students, welcome back in ENV class. Today we will start our new chapter 19, Let's Eat Together. We all know that apart from studying, children do a lot of activities in school. These help various qualities and skills to develop in children. So let's start our chapter. The school reopened today after the vacation. The children talked about how they had fun their holidays. So now the school reopened today after the big vacation. Here she is Meena and she is Aarti. So Meena asked Aarti that why did you put mehndi on your palms? So Aarti replied, because of my uncle's wedding. So Meena said that, oh, you might have had a lot of fun there. So Aarti said, yes, I enjoyed a lot eating together also. After that, Rehanna asked, shall we also eat together in the class? So David replied, wow, it will be fun. Let's do that. So all have decided to arrange a party in the classroom. Each one started telling what would they bring from their home. And on Saturday, they all brought the things and enjoyed the party. A variety of dishes were there. All played, sang and danced together. So this is classroom party and they all enjoyed a lot in this classroom party. Now celebrating Uttarayan. Uttarayan is celebrated on 14th January every year. Now do you know that people of all religions celebrate Uttarayan, and this festival does not belong to any one particular religion. Uttarayan is also known as Makar Sankranti. So Pinky woke up early in the morning and she ran to call her friends Sejal, Ayush, Tanvir, Fatima, Iqbal to their houses. Today is the Uttarayan and everyone was so happy. They have done special preparation to celebrate Uttarayan. How will they celebrate Uttarayan? Let's see. They woke up early. Their elder brothers tied the kite kinna and kept them ready on the previous day. After that, Pinky's grandmother has made Til's laddu and groundnuts chikki. So here in these pictures we can see Til laddu and groundnuts chikki. Sejal has brought laddu of puffed rice from home and we also call it mamra. So Sejal has brought this laddu from her home. Tanvir has brought boar from his garden. So Ayush's mother also gave fresh boar. Pinky's mother is preparing undhiyu. Do you know which ingredients are required to prepare undhiyu? So let's see which ingredients are required to prepare undhiyu. So these all vegetables are required to prepare undhiyu. In this picture we can see cluster beans, runner beans, brinjal, potatoes, tomatoes, spices like capsicum, coriander and ginger. Without sweet potato, elephant foot and yam, there is no taste in undhiyu. So here we can see this is elephant foot, this is yam, and ginger is also required for making undhiyu. Mother added vada of fenugreek leaves too. Iqbal was surprised to see all these. So mother added vada of fenugreek leaves. Grandmother was making hot jalebi and all have started eating. Now everyone went to the terrace to fly kites. Some flew fly kites and some held firki in their hand. We all know what is firki. Everybody cheered, "E kapyo, e gayo," and also sang songs. Throughout the day, all were in sunlight and they enjoyed a lot. So throughout the day, all were in sunlight and they enjoyed a lot on this day. In next video, we will continue with this chapter.